Alright, so the second is just the wooden mallet, also known as a striking maul. There's a couple different ways you can make these. All you do is just cut a branch to length, then take your saw in the middle, cut all the way around it, and then use the item in the first wooden tool that I would make and when I get to camp, and I'll put the link in the description down below for that video. But you can take that and then use your knife, baton to the stop cut, and then after that just use your knife and make it comfortable for your hand. It's really easy. Second option is just as simple as taking it to length and using your hatchet or axe and just shaving it down. Both will work. So we'll go ahead and go over the uses for this. For one, you can use it as a heavy baton for your knife or axe. Another one is driving wedges and stakes into the ground. For instance, for my oilskin tarp that I have here, all I did was use this one right here, pounded the stakes in. It's very easy. You can also dispatch trapped game using these. You can also pound your axe as a chisel using this, just like a chisel. The fifth item is pounding any wood-handled tools. Another option that you have is if you have an annoying brother or sister, you can... No, I'm just kidding. Don't do that, please. But these are just the items that some of the things you can do with this. It's the second item or second wooden tool that I make when I'm in camp. It's just a fun thing to do, and it comes very useful and very handy. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you like future videos, consider subscribing. Y'all take care, stay safe, and enjoy the woods.